Hi, Benjamin Mechanics here. Sharing with you today a new feature that we're adding to where if you go to admin and go to facility data and then go to items, currently you're used to seeing active items and inactive items split across two separate views. This makes it challenging for customers who look across both of these together on different filters and sorts. Also, when you're looking at inactive items, it's difficult to understand if an item was transferred in from outside facility, which is something that occurs with metric integrated customers, or if it was sourced from inside of your facility. So what we've done, I'll show you our preview environment, is we merged these two views into a single all items view. And this view defaults when you load it to active. So you'll see your active items inside of this view. And we've added this new quick filter right here. Now this will reset all of your columns that you currently that you may have if you made any adjustments. So if you switch to any of these, it will automatically reset your columns to the default columns. Please note that. This makes it easy for you to go, you can look at active items, your transferred items, which are any items that were transferred in from either your current facility or another facility. And then there's all items even. So you can go to all items, and this will show you a list of both inactive and active items in a single view. And we've added a few columns to help make things easier to filter and sort your items instead of having to click inside of the details for an item and view these different fields that are inside of here, such as the integrations, right? Leaf Link and Sage, or Dutchie if you happen to have a Dutchie integration, the bill of materials and standard costing, as well as item details. There were some fields inside of here that we didn't have. Allergens wasn't in here. We moved all of this inside of all of those inside of the columns that are available for you here. We also added a new field inside of here. So transfer source license is one to let you see. I'm going to talk about this one first. This is especially helpful for customers who are integrated with metric that previously were unable to filter by items that are transferred in outside of their facility or transferred in for metric or transferred within their facility. This will allow them to look for items that have a transfer source license that comes from outside of the current facility to know if it was transferred in for metric or not. So it's a nice way to filter. We also have facility source or facility license number, so you know where the license number is currently at any given point. We've also added in current cost standard. So current cost standard will provide info that you would see if you went to the details here, went to costing, and went to current standard cost. We also include inside of here, we have a bill of materials. You can't easily see everything inside of the bill of materials, but what you can do is filter to see by anything that has a value. That's a quick way to find out what items do I have that have bill of materials associated with them. And then we've also added here the additional fields to be able to allergens, Leaf Link product association, Sage or Dutchie, Sage Intact or Dutchie product association or items associations. So you can start to use those to find out which are your items parameters set on them. And this hopefully will help make things easier for our customers to be able to use the items in and table to accomplish a lot of their goals that they were struggling with previously. Good luck. And if you have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out to me via email, or you can also reach out to us via support and meet there. Have a wonderful day.